Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 23 how to follow and unfollow a hashtag on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone, the Instagram application itself, and then we can go to the mobile phone, navigate to the Instagram application, click on Instagram. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to the search feature, search box, and now type in a hashtag you wish to follow. I'll type in computer. Click on this hashtag and I'll follow a couple of hashtags or one itself, and then we can go to the profile. So now we know we are following a hashtag. How do we unfollow this hashtag? Go back to the search for computer again, tags, computer, click on following, unfollow hashtag computer, yes, and now the hashtag has been unfollowed. Go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.